Wanna know about? Never the type for rely upon people fi make my moves and never saw me grow. When you say me hype and you know probably right, but if you not have no pride, I guess anything goes. Me I live my life telling me have my own. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown.
Masicka is a great artist. Can't take that from him. But which Masicka songs them from last year would play this year, I go play next year, I go play the year after. You make songs for the moments and now. But will these be hit songs 5 years from now?
No man don't perfect, no we have our vices and our flaws. They want me to stumble, I go so hard, I take no pause. Even if I fumble, don't laugh, just left young boss in charge. Man fi do this dog. New owner there for the
There's two people who have, three people as a matter of fact, who have followed me, who gave me that feeling.
Right.
Vybz Kartel.
Woo!
When Kartel follow me, you know, I have to say, yo, the man there jail, I know him a follow me. Man. And then me say, yo, me send a message. Yeah. Yo, right, boss, big up for the follow, you know. The man send me a voice note, so me confirm, say it was him. And me say, yo, him say, yo.
Rise up against Masicka. It's because Masicka want to break away from their empire and build his own.
No problem for it shouldn't be a slight to Kartel if it's that him have called himself the GOAT. Is it that Kartel has recently gained his kingship and the GOAT crown and moniker, if you will, has been on Kartel since him been released? I feel like that people take offense to when Masicka do that.
Yeah, I just feel like he must say it, and it's like, for me, all my look on it is nothing wrong with Masicka. How maybe it's saying you're a GOAT or, well, no, I think what Masicka should have said is, I will be the GOAT. Because then it's like,
Go get your tickets on reggaefest.com. December 27, Gully God and Friends.
What a offer tree. Look there. Flood on. Look there. Flood on. Look there. Look there.
Oh, that's another thing I want to talk about. Today I look under my post. I saw a comment saying that, oh, Shenseea is using samples now and I hate when she do this, why she can't make her own music. I'm like, you know, so them people are lie. Jesus Christ, when I lie so till. If you tell so much life on Jesus, what would I expect uno to do?
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nandi. You know it's your boss Nandi and I building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So in today's topic, we want to talk about some things as it pertains to when I see earlier, I see one video go on with a brother named White Yardie. I talk about Masicka. Will Masicka songs them live on? Masicka songs them now play. It's like Masicka songs them are just for the moment. And more say some way I say a cap. And some way I say, yeah, I kind of understand what I say. But we want to talk about that. And we want to talk about Alkaline also. And we want to talk about Shenseea, where we saw Shenseea saying that people are saying, yo, she has sing too much sample with songs them. Because just the other day, I think it was yesterday, she dropped a song called Boss Up. And Boss Up is another sample song from another R&B singer. So we want to talk about that. And also, we want to talk about Mavado concert coming up in December. And his son giving him problem where we heard that a Mavado and his son did a fight. And all sort of madness that go on at Mavado house. I said that Mavado beat up his son because him hear say his son are going with be wrong same way. You see, viewers and subscribers, the people who that say Mavado's son was innocent when him get locked up, and everything is like the youth I put them to shit. It's like the youth approve them right now and I show them say, yo, him still mix up in a wrong thing. So we want to talk about that, and we have a lot of things to talk about, and also we want to talk about the hurricane where are forward at Jamaica soon, Hurricane Melissa, and I hope say a lot of the people them out there I take cover and I be safe wherever them there, and I take shelter and make sure so them prepare for this hurricane, this upcoming hurricane, because they said that it's going to be like another Gilbert. So before we jump into the topic, viewers and subscribers, me are asking for make sure so on a like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell for me. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, let me just jump into the vlog. So the first video we want to talk about is a video where I see a circulate with Masicka And you know, as usual, Masicka always a go tote over the media. Him always a go turn on him phone camera and say a bunch of stuff. So it's like a rage bait so the media can run with whatever he must say. So we saw a video with him going to Dominica. And he must say some things, viewers and subscribers. I'm want to play it for you. He was mentioning that or them can't lock the gate. I mean I said come like Masicka follow Alkaline continuously or he must plagiarize Alkaline. So he must say them can't lock the gate pan him. I want to remember when Alkaline did state say yo him kick down barriers and him fly the gate. And Masicka I said them can't lock the gate pan him. So I don't know how I go on this. But listen to what Masicka have to say, viewers and subscribers.
Yeah, man, on one side, ain't no other man. And boy, if you know that, blood clot. One! Where's my bad friend? Run, man! Oh. Pronounce. One Uncle Crook. Activate. No pussy can lock the gate, you mad?
No time. No time.
So that is what Masicka had to say, viewers and subscribers. And me, I got say something to Masicka. Masicka, you need to give the phone a break, brother. This baga internet posting and this baga internet rage bait we are going with. It only just a water in your career and people are always have some sort of bad things to say about you. You don't know if you hold your composure. You don't know if you showcase militancy. And this way I don't make no sense. Time and time again, Masicka been a post on the media and it don't make no sense. This way the brother, it don't make no sense. This is why people are dragging me in the media. So, viewers and subscribers, me could go into the white yardy whole conversation with him saying that Masicka songs them nah live on. And me I go give you know, me I go tell you the real reason why white yardy are target Masicka. Because him form an allegiance with Vybz Kartel, him give him soul to Vybz Kartel. And me I said to myself, so yo, why every time them people that have some form of connection with Vybz Kartel or Vybz Kartel reach out to them always give them soul to Kartel. Like, the man said, me I go play the video for you. The man saying in our video said, Kartel reach out to him and send him a voice note on Instagram. And all of a sudden from Vybz Kartel reach out to him come the biggest fanatics for Vybz Kartel Gaza. Watch these viewers and subscribers.
There's three people as a matter of fact, who have followed me who gave me that feeling.
Right.
Vybz Kartel.
Woo!
When Kartel follow me, I have to say, yo, man there jail, I know him a follow me. Man. And then me say, yo, me send a message. Yeah. Yo, world boss, big up for the follow, The man send me a voice note, so me confirm, say it was him. And me say, yo, him say, yo, go on white yardy. White daddy. Yo, baddest comedian in town.
Yo!
He said, boom, hey!
Yo! That was me, I would have sampled that, yo. That would have been my introduction or something.
No, me have it. Me screen record that. And then Drake.
Wow.
Yeah.
Drizzy, the boy?
Yeah, and he's actually been following me for a long while now. Like years.
So after I finally get the link with Vybz Kartel over Instagram, Vybz Kartel forward the road and then them link up in England. And here's the thing we're going to understand. You see me realize is that Vybz Kartel always formulate some sort of allegiance, some sort of people will have a certain type of voice in the media and him gather the whole of them so the whole of them campaign him and champion him and all sort of thing. It's like a conquering type of thing him depending on him. He might take with the whole of them soul from them, but he only do that to the people them with a voice. But people, the man and Vybz Kartel do a skit, right? And listen to what they must say. Some low things the man them talk about in another skit here. Listen to what they must say, viewers and subscribers.
So, but me want my man them same way.
Why? You bumbo clot, yo. Yo, dog. Yeah, man, me there, man. And me and Kartel there, brother.
Why?
No
man no there.
Me there with Kartel,
Why me ain't there? No way.
True, you know, brother. They call my phone for, brother. Eh?
Yeah, true. Why you
Road! Bumbo clot, dog.
You lose your show now?
Yeah, I know. How for man this?
Why? This is my player.
Okay.
I remember me have one of your soldiers them here, so prisoner of war.
Alright.
But no man.
No man. Deuce na your head.
Why for those?
Bumbo clot. Yo, see the man the back of you, know.
Why?
Brother, a game we a play, we can't say that, man. Sure.
6, me hitch up and dime.
Why? Boy, you hitch up on dime.
Shit. I mean this?
Yeah, from you touch your man, you have to move, you know.
Why not touch no man? Why?
I'm no stressful to play with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6,
Boy,
jump me.
mad. Why me not jump no man, you know?
Ah!
See the man if he dead, you know, take the man now.
So that are the skit viewers and subscribers. I mean, I thinking of myself and I say, yo, Jano, where them money come up in them head for really make a skit like this? I talk about them man and them jump man and them all sort of thing. See the man they take him now. Me I say, Jano, where did them brother man, them man are just low up just for the media for running some things. And at this time I show no viewers and subscribers. So, me could just go into the clippings with White Yardie, the same brother way in another video, yeah. I talk about Masicka. And me I go say, bro, I cap him a cap, because Masicka have songs we still a play to this day. Me not gonna lie. Even though Masicka is not my artist, like personal artist. But Masicka have songs. Enough artists out there in a dancehall not have no songs same way when I play. Kartel have enough songs when I play same way. Some songs when him sing back then, we still not play now. So listen to him as a viewers and subscribers.
Masicka is a great artist. Can't take that from him. But which Masicka songs them from last year would play this year, I go play next year, I go play the year after. You make songs for the moments and now, but will these be hit songs 5 years from now?
So there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The brother said Masicka only make song for the moment. Him not have longevity in him songs them. I mean, I gotta say, I cap the bro, I cap dog. Because even though I might say last year's songs them Masicka have probably not play now. Probably White still a play now because White's roll over another year. Yeah. White still a play, but me not gonna lie, some of Masicka songs them from last year are just hot song them not really a play. But in a Masicka earlier time in his career, I think him still have songs where I play like King in the Earth, Stay Strong, and you know, they don't know. Them songs they are classic songs for Masicka. Me not gonna lie, Masicka have some classic songs in him catalog. Enough artists have classic songs and enough artists have songs we not gonna play because you have hot songs and you have hit songs. Masicka have hot songs and a few hit songs, but where White Yardie say, bro, is just to prove viewers and subscribers that whenever you form some type of allegiance or whenever you tie yourself to the Gaza or affiliate and say, yo, a Gaza, you say, it's like you sell your soul to Kartel. It's like you're dead on by your knee and you don't want to get up. And at that, them money and showcase, a lot of people, me see, always come out on the media, attack against other artists and viewers and subscribers. This could have been my artist, whether brother you talk about. It could have been Alkaline. They must say, oh, Alkaline songs them are hot songs and rare because a Kartel them form the allegiance with. A Kartel them tie themselves to and say Gaza. So almost every Gaza people now go give other artists them credit. Them always are go small up the artists them things. So that's why me try to debunk this whole thing with them people. You say, yo, Masicka nah no hit songs or Masicka only have hot songs because truth be told, Masicka have some hit songs. Masicka have hit songs. It may not be the songs them we play frequently in our party, but nowadays, art selector now really play artist song unless them get money. But the people them who have them phone can go up on the Spotify, the Apple Music, the YouTube. They listen to these songs every day. Yes, you might see one or few people on TikTok play over Masicka songs them over them video, and that is it. And also people listen to the songs them in them headphones. So that is the new thing nowadays. As I say, viewers and subscribers, them now play enough artist songs now get play in a party. You know, see them play Alkaline songs like that because Alkaline now the Piola. Alkaline now pay them for playing songs them. So the same can be said for Masicka, where even though Masicka might have pay people for playing songs because them up on the ground, but enough selector now play some artists them songs because them now get pay feet. So this a brother here I say, oh, Masicka now have songs where go stand out, or Masicka now have longevity in our music. But I lie, not for the thing them where them I say I lie. Them always are gonna do them thing here, come out in our media I say a bag of thing for try to small up the artists them just for build up Vybz Kartel. And the next thing, bro, you know, remember when them usually say Alkaline is a YouTube artist because Alkaline I rock up all of these views and numbers pan him songs them, but yet still him songs them now play in a party. This is just prime example, viewers and subscribers. The artists them song them now play in a party because them now get piola. Them now pay the selector them for play them song because me not understand. The selector them I play the artists them song and them I get money from the people them in the party because people are play for money pull up. People are pay for money pull up, you know, but yet still the selector them still want money from the artists them. And me not understand that. Me can't understand that, bro. And as me say, them usually call Alkaline YouTube artists when Alkaline have the whole heap of YouTube views them upon him songs them, but see they now they all became hits. They all became classic hits. That is for sure to say. It's not all about the party most of the time why some of them songs are get big. People just listen to them songs on a day-to-day basis and love them naturally. And at that time issue when me have with enough of them people I talk about, oh, artist songs now playing a party so them not hot and rare. But people are listening on the platforms them. They did the music platforms them, the Spotify, they did the Apple Music. You name it, the Tidal. But you see, because them people are, as me say, farm allegiance, or it's like them sign a contract to Kartel where them just forward in their media and decide to tear down the other artists them just for prop up Vybz Kartel. So Shenseea forward out and said the people them say she do too much sample. She need to stop the samples. Or she need to cool down on some of the samples them. And me I said to myself, say, you know, me that slide share the same sentiment. Because every time I hear Shenseea over a sample, it just sound corny, it not sound natural. Like stay in your own local style, sing in your own style. Don't sample other people rhythm or vocals or melody. Like me not like that, but listen what she has to say about the whole thing, viewers and subscribers.
Oh, that's another thing I want to talk about. Today I look under my post. I saw a comment saying that, oh, Shenseea is using samples now and I hate when she do this, why she can't make her own music. I'm like, you know, so them people are lie. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna lie so till. If you tell so much life on Jesus, what would I expect Uno to do with me? You did expect Uno to tell the truth about me? No, sir. Most, if not all, actually, of my hits are original. What are we talking about? Name one song when me do sample with. That's one of my massive hits. Please. When me I use sample, don't come for me. Apart from the fact that everybody, I think we're in this 2000s vibe right now where people are sample that type of music. So I think I'm with the energy of the environment when it comes down to artists and us being connected to, you know, I think we're all up on the same vibes right now. But separate apart from that, I don't use samples often, except for when I'm doing my freestyles. So don't come to me with that. Don't bring that shit to me ever. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. Hit and run? No. Blessed? No. Shining Anthem? No. Good Comfort? No. Don't play. Well, maybe foreplay. Foreplay was it. But foreplay is a good sample. And that's the thing too. If I am using a sample, I use it correctly. So, don't play with me. I'm an artist, baby. When I see people start to that, because I use this big sample, please correct them. Thank you very much on my behalf.
I think Shenseea now understand what the person really are saying about she doing samples and them not liking it. I feel like she not understand. The whole point of that conversation is viewers and subscribers is that whenever Shenseea do the samples them are sample songs, they don't hit because the people are already familiar with that song or the sound or the melody where she are singing. So them not hit. So for your natural songs them where she make of her own are always going to hit because them not hear them there before and them resonate with them song them more because them they're fresh and new. But when she has sample other songs, them not hit because people already know them songs they already and it always gonna come off corny or it always gonna come off weird to the listeners of the music. And at that time next thing why I would have say about Alkaline. Alkaline no sample artist music like that. Maybe few songs in them earlier part-time career cause you know Live My Life, Love Me Live My Life is a Miley Cyrus rhythm I think. So Shenseea need to stop doing what she do, and she need to understand the sampling thing is pointless, bro. It only a go hit to a certain place. It only a go hot for a moment. So them they, if you want a catalog, you need to make your own songs. Them stop sample other people's songs. Share on the views in our comment section, viewers and subscribers, and let me know what you think about what Shenseea just did I say.
Go get the tickets on reggaefest.com. December 27, Gully God and Friends. Kingston, Jamaica. Look. Gully, we're ready.
So you know the whole ongoing conversation about Mavado and his son Dante Brooks, where Dante Brooks has been locked up or him has been charged with gun-related charges and 4 other charges. So it is said that our news are circulating in the media say Mavado beat up his son Dante after him hear about the whole thing where Dante did in a, I don't know if I in a cassava piece, but it is said that I in a cassava piece it go on. And it said Mavado beat him because it's like the youth now here. And a lot of people are share a sentiment saying that Mavado for done with him son. And clearly it look like Mavado done with him son. Because see Mavado put out a video there, promote him show. Him now have time for really focus or speak about the whole ongoing thing with Dante Brooks. But listen to what somebody have to say about Mavado son and them would I do the same thing done with them son. Because it's like Dante now learn. And they like him want to go back to jail. Listen to this.
In here thinking about Mavado and his son situation, I'm saying to myself, at what point as parents do we say, you know what, them kids? You get what I say? Because parenting hard enough. Remember, there's no book on parenting. It's kind of like a trial and error thing. If you grew up in a nice household and everything and you were paying attention to how your parents treated you, you will treat your kids in a similar fashion. Right, if you have more control over the situation. But sometimes it's like you feel like you give so much of yourself to your kids and they just don't appreciate it, or they don't even realize say you're really a sacrifice and I give them what they need. And some of them pitney, they feel so entitled because you're giving them so much. The one little time you cannot give them, then them look by you until they say, oh, you're a bad parent, and then them start up. But trust me, I have been there. So I can't help but to think, maybe because Mavado give him so much and bail him out so much times out of other situations, that this little boy just nah learn, And this is where tough love comes in. Yeah, man, tough love. Because Mavado, him wasn't around in a Jamaica for a little while, so maybe that too was the problem. You start think about it like, was Mavado an absent parent since he wasn't in Jamaica? But I don't know their situation. I don't know if the son can travel. I don't know. But you started thinking about those things. And it's sad that Mavado had to be away from his children, or his son in this case. And that could be the reason why this little boy became rebellious and just act out, and it just got out of control with him feel like say him no need no guidance or no instructions from Mavado. So it's kind of out of control. And him have to wake up himself as a young man and say, you know what, I'm not going to do this no more. I say my freedom, flash in front of my eyes. Him have to come to that reality, or else him go end up 6 feet under or in a jail for an extended amount of time till him old, and then probably will last him in a prison in Jamaica. Him have to learn, man. It's sad. As parents, we try so hard to do so much for our kids, but a lot of them don't see it. They don't see it, because they're just used to getting it on a regular basis. They don't appreciate it. At what point do we as parents just say to ourselves, fuck them kids, and just get selfish and just do we and deal with we all the way? You know what I had to learn as a parent? I had to learn that even though I was away from my kids for 2 years, right? And when I came back, I tried to make up for lost times by overcompensating and giving them more than what I should be giving them, thinking that by giving them more, that will actually build a little bit more respect for me and stuff. But no, baby love, when you cannot fix where done in the past already. The only thing you can fix is the current. You understand me? And hopefully by fixing the current, you can shape the future. This is something that I had to learn the hard way. So do not overcompensate. You understand me? And because if you overcompensate, that is not going to allow the kids. That's not going to make the kids them respect at all. It won't. So just do what you can do for now and deal with the now. How about that? Because in the end, certain things are just beyond your control. And once these kids turn adults themselves, they form their own personalities, their own opinions of you and stuff like that. And it's something that probably you cannot control. So don't overcompensate and beat up on yourself and stuff like that as parents. You understand? When you do what you can do for the kids, them, love them, protect them as much as you can. But sometimes you have to make them learn. You get me? You can't protect them too much. They have to learn upon them own too. You understand?
Wanna make me know what you think about what the lady officer a while ago, viewers and subscribers. But my views on this whole thing is that Mavado son, if you go behind the bars, dog, and feel how it feel again. Do an extra 7 more years and more. Because it look like say him like badman lifestyle. So badman lifestyle bring a prison, or badman lifestyle bring a 6 feet underground. So Mavado son, he look like him not take telling. Mavado can't talk to him. If I mean like Mavado, I'm done with him. Make him go behind bars. No make nobody bail him out. Him lucky him dep on him own big man now. So him no want take telling. Then go face your judgment in a jailhouse or 6 foot deep. A theme problem that. But viewers, make me know what you think about what the lady has said.
Cross road right now.
Once one just drop in the water and one find it.
What?
My little girl. Watch them.
Watch ya. Who man go so?
Watch your woman.
So the Hurricane Melissa is on her way to hitting Jamaica this weekend. And viewers and subscribers, a whole heap of place flood out. Right now up on the screen, a crossroad you now see. People workplace flood out, outside flood out, people can't get for go home. A whole heap of flood watch and a whole heap of place flood out, viewers and subscribers. But me have a brother, I say something about JPS because it is said that JPS made a statement saying that after the hurricane season, there will be a lot of hikes of bills, a lot of increase of bills because me don't know if JPS want the people them pay for all of the things them we are gonna mash up or why them want hike up the price of the bills them, the light bills them. But listen what I'm have to say about JPS viewers and subscribers.
So we have a tropical storm on the way. It's not even a hurricane yet. And instead of Jamaica Public Service putting things together, they're going to come and tell us about expect higher bills because of Melissa. Them done decide them going to screw us already. It's one of the highest electricity bill in the world we pay. And because we have in weather, I hear them on the TV today, because we have had weather and the ground is wet and, you know, more wetting to come, we can guarantee we're going to lose light. Why don't you get your infrastructure fixed? Why don't you use the billions that you collect to fix your infrastructure? Get rid of some of these old mash-up light posts. Put in concrete light posts. Bury cables where you can. Fix your generation plant. Get enough people in Jamaica. It's about you have 30 people up on the ground. 30 people can take care of the entire Jamaica. Bring 300 people. Bring proper equipment. The Minister of Energy need to do more and tell you what to do. Him too easy with you. I see you on a podium, I wouldn't even shake your hand. Jamaica Public Service Company. When I talk about your name, I creep. That's why everybody I go solar. Everybody I put in pans and battery. Everybody I buy LED bulb to get rid of you. I can't imagine that you put this out. Look at them put out. Look at it. We Jamaicans must expect higher electricity bills because possible for Melissa. Possible she haven't come yet. Let me tell you something, man. If Jamaica people don't get them act together and get them act together to get rid of you, more companies must come in and offer electricity across the island. The Ministry of Energy must put his foot down and do what him say him going to do and start look at your agreement because it soon expire and start bringing other companies. All we do is pay electricity. Highest bills. All we turn off your light and go, you come back and your bill's still high. I can't put up with it anymore. You know, I took a little break. But when I see this crap come out, you don't even start yet. It don't even reach us yet. And you tell us about high prices. How about you stomach some of that high price? Stop driving the fancy car, them living in the high-rise building and the expensive houses that you live in. Because you probably don't own them, so you pay 5, 6, 7, 10,000 US dollar a month in rental for your high-end CEOs that come down. Why don't you start cutting down at your place and cutting from the top instead of giving Jamaicans more increase? Why don't fix your grid and put up proper infrastructure? You had 1 year from Beryl to do it. And all you do is butter. And you tell us now about the ground them wet, it raining, expect power cuts. We can expect power cuts when a category 3, 4, or 5 hit us, but we shouldn't lose light on a category 1, not even probably 2, much less wind and rain. You should sustain, and the only time you turn off is if you're protecting your grill, and you don't turn off for long. It's a matter of an hour or so while the storm passes, not for 2, 3 days. Who is running the operation? Who is getting the paycheck? How much you pay big boys up there? I ain't talking about you going to give people increase because Melissa should even come yet. You should be fired.
What are your views in regards to where the brother officer viewers and subscribers? Let me know in the comment section. But I'm going to play some clippings for you of the whole hurricane watch, storm watch with Wagwan in Jamaica, so we can really get a full view of some of the places that are flooded out. We have Arfrey, we have Crossroad, we have even Country. A whole heap of places flooded out right now. But watch some videos, viewers and subscribers. Watch some of them videos, but you don't know it go. A Vybz and Inside with Nando with another episode. A mad thing. I'm out.
Cross road right now. Once one just dropping at the water and one find it.
What?
My little girl. Watch him.
Watch him. Put him on go so.
Watch your woman.
Hold it up.
Yo.
She now find this.
I can't even go here. I know that I'm workplace flood out.
What is that one?
No, they're folks. Watch out. Shall I drop in now? Crossroad.
God. Help Jesus.
Watch out, woman that about face. Watch out.
Yeah, man, what a Barbican, man. What a Barbican, man. Nah, my G. Which one? The one they turn there, water. The one they turn the one here. Bumbo class, share the line. Touchdown. Yeah, man. Yeah, the one that turn him. This is in Barbican. What a offer tree. Look there, flood out. Look there. Flood out. Look there. Look there. Oh, that car and duck down. Look there. The car broke down in the middle of the road. Look there.